us know who Atiku is, don't we?
We know.
Don't we?
We know.
I use this medium today to challenge Dr. Atiku. I want to ask you, wherever you are, can you tell us who killed AK Dikibo? Who killed AK Dikibo? The former National Vice Chairman, South of the People's Democratic Party. Two, who killed Chief Gospel Diabolo? Chief Gospel Diabolo was one who wrote petitions against Abia, not to the minister when he was nominated. A native Diabolo read the petition. The next day, Diabolo was killed in his house. I just think about who killed Diabolo. So, I don't want to. Ordinarily, I shouldn't bother myself. A man who is known for killing his wife saying that they want to kill him. And here I challenge you. Justice Kayode Esho panel, judicial panel, indicted you as a sponsor of courtesans in the state. I'm not the one. Justice Kayode Esho, Justice of Supreme Court of the blessed memory, who charged the judicial panel of inquiry, indicted you. I told you before, tell us, why did Obasanjo sack you as a minister? Why did Obasanjo sack you as a minister? We went to see Obasanjo. Obasanjo could greet Chibudo Nwuche, my deputy speaker.
He can give us wisdom. He can give us wisdom.
The president, former president of Nigeria, was able to greet Chibudo Nwuche very well. You were a minister under Obasanjo. Obasanjo refused to greet you. We were the one who said, Your Excellency, see your minister. He said, Minister. Is that what's supposed to be?
No.
Was that not a message?
Yes.
Was it not a message?
Yes, sir.
But yet, we are on ground here. We're on ground. Are you not on ground?
We are.
Are you not on ground?
We are.
It is not to talk on pages of newspaper. Every time you lie, you came and run governor under ACN. You say, oh, they didn't allow you to vote. Every time, Rivers State will not make mistake of allowing somebody like you to be governor of Rivers State.
No way.
Would you allow